Residents of Nongpyrdi village under Mawkynrew Block had informed through a press conference held on the 6th of June 2022 about irregularities in the distribution of various government schemes that were routed through former headman of the locality Nongrum. As per RTI reports, the residents of Nongpyrdi village informed that schemes of the watershed department of the government of Meghalaya that were distributed to them from 2011 to 2021 were never received by any of the beneficiaries. The villagers further informed that the headman of Nongpyrdi had been submitting names of beneficiaries for availing the 16 government schemes, but none of them till date have received any financial benefits through such schemes. In fact, it is only the headman who had benefited from the same, even as there has been no evidence of work from the sanctioned schemes.
Hangde uyo tang ule uweu nagani scheme opar umjar watershed IWMP 11 arjakat wekat arfan allocated for EPA entry point activity to Nongpyrdi village. Name of works, nature of works, drinking well, water distribution works. Hapot Nongpyrdi ya kepala pentrai da uneu ba brand Nongrum silak tengkala mang. Katba hakecing let jurip. Ya kani ka drinking well water distribution works kamdam kani ka nature of works sebagai mention nang mo kamdam nang ta ka ba ar kadai ar sekhat ar khalai kani ka scheme kala increase ka arlak tangka hang ne ka nature of work ka bon ma kidam hadu khat lai tali khat rew tali. The nature of work system arjakat arkalai kadai cek dam mo ya gabala sanction ke kerteng jong ba mastar Nongrum ubadai u rang ba snong ke tukopor ya la sanction ya kani ha ke kerteng jong ba mastar Nongrum nomor ube vendor de kini ke beneficiaries pat kidai ne ba Brian Nongrum unia uyo ndru ar hajar ban pentrai ke cek dam nomor 1 mo kata ke cek dam ila lipet lalu cendur kamdam hundur kita cek dam dia kaba ar kadai ka kontur ba bon ka jaka ba ki mut ban kanro ya ke per mo ya ke jaka ayu jaka rap